Hey, this is Alex over at Collier RV. We just took in this 2020 Sandpiper 372 LOK. It's a really nice mid-bunk unit. Let me walk you around. Got a big awning out front. And this unit does have an outdoor kitchen. Oop. Let's check that out. There's that. Does have the ladder, grill on the back. Might take you inside. Here's the rear living area. Got a large residential fridge, freezer, oven, and your seating back here across from the TV. Big windows. Here's the middle bunk room. You got the futon set up, the drop down bunk, room for a TV. You do have the loft up here. Bathroom. Nice big shower there. And here is the bedroom. Large king bed. Do have a TV. And here's the washer dryer prep and storage. You can hang your clothes in there.